Imagine walking through a forgotten valley, hidden among lush green hills where towering stone statues and massive cylindrical jars lie scattered across the landscape, silent remnants of a lost world. These ancient megalithic wonders, found in remote regions of Indonesia, Laos, and India, have captivated the imagination of archaeologists, historians, and explorers alike. But the question remains, who were the people who created these mysterious artifacts, and what purpose did they serve? No written records or clues have ever revealed their origins, and yet these colossal stone jars and statues continue to spark awe and curiosity. From burial rituals to forgotten gods, every theory only deepens the mystery. Are they the work of an advanced ancient civilization or the remnants of a culture lost to time? The secrets of these megaliths may still be hidden, but their presence raises far more questions than answers, inviting us to journey back in time to uncover the story behind them. Bada Valley Megaliths Overview. Nestled amidst the lush greenery and tranquil landscapes of Indonesia, the Bada Valley is home to one of the world's most perplexing archaeological mysteries, a collection of cylindrical stone jars and stylized humanoid statues. These megalithic artifacts have captivated historians, archaeologists, and curious minds worldwide. Their origins, purpose, and the civilization responsible for their creation remain shrouded in enigma. It was in the early 20th century that missionary and ethnographer Albert S. E. Kraut first introduced these artifacts to the global community. As he ventured through the heart of central Sulawesi, Kraut documented these statues and jars, noting their peculiar presence in a largely uninhabited region. The artifacts themselves seem to predate all known civilizations in the area, lending them an aura of profound mystery. Artifacts classification. The artifacts of Bada Valley can be broadly classified into two main types: cylindrical stone jars known as Camba and humanoid statues referred to as ara. Each group boasts unique characteristics that have fueled numerous theories regarding their significance and purpose. The Camba jars are particularly noteworthy for their impressive size. Many of these stone containers measure over 6 feet in height and are found scattered across the valleys either in clusters or as isolated objects. Their placement suggests a once highly organized cultural practice, though their true purpose remains the subject of much debate. The humanoid statues, on the other hand, exhibit exaggerated facial features, distinct hand placements, and minimalistic body forms. The symbolism inherent in their design has prompted researchers to speculate on their ritualistic or spiritual roles within the society that created them. Mystery of the Camba jars' origin and purpose. The origins and purpose of the Camba jars present a captivating mystery. One striking aspect is that the stones used to carve these massive jars are not native to Bada Valley. Rather, they appear to have been transported over significant distances. This raises questions about how an ancient culture, lacking modern transportation methods, managed to move such heavy materials through mountainous terrain. Various theories have been proposed, each as intriguing as the next. Some believe the jars served as burial vessels, aligning with burial customs observed elsewhere in Southeast Asia, where large stone containers were used to house the remains of the dead. However, this theory is complicated by the fact that some jars are too shallow to hold a body, while others feature burn marks that suggest alternative uses such as mineral processing or purification, possibly linked to gold extraction. Adding to the intrigue is the local community's lack of knowledge regarding the origins of these artifacts. For generations, the people of Bada Valley have revered the jars and statues, making offerings in hopes of favorable harvests or rain. Yet they possess no concrete information about who created these megaliths or why. This cultural disconnect further deepens the air of mystery surrounding the Camba jars. Humanoid statues of Bada Valley. The humanoid statues found in Bada Valley provide another layer of intrigue. These figures, often carved in stylized forms with large heads, straight bodies, and exaggerated facial features, evoke a sense of ritualistic or spiritual significance. Some depict pregnant women, while others appear androgynous. Their hand placements, often emphasizing the genitalia, hint at symbolic representations of life, fertility, or other sacred concepts. The statues' minimalistic body designs and large heads bear a striking resemblance to other ancient megalithic sculptures worldwide, such as the Moai statues of Easter Island. This similarity has prompted questions about whether these cultures shared common motifs or were somehow interconnected across great distances and time periods. Global cultural connections and theories. The connection between the Bada Valley artifacts and other megalithic sites across the globe is a fascinating area of study. Comparisons have been drawn between the Bada Valley statues and sites like Gobekli Tepe in Turkey and the Plain of Jars in Laos. These sites feature large stone pillars adorned with carvings and share stylistic similarities in their representations and hand placements. Such parallels have led some researchers to propose that these disparate cultures may have had a shared origin or were influenced by a lost ancient civilization with advanced stoneworking techniques. Others suggest a more symbolic connection, where certain motifs resonated deeply across ancient human societies, transcending geographical boundaries. Legendary interpretations and local myths. Local folklore adds another dimension to the mystery of the Bada Valley megaliths. Legends tell of giants who once roamed the land, using the massive stone jars to brew and store rice wine. While such myths lack historical evidence, they provide insight into how the people of the region perceive these ancient artifacts. Myths often reflect the cultural identity and collective memory of a community, serving as a bridge between the known and the unknown. Comparative sites: the Plain of Jars, Laos, and Assam, India. Similar megalithic jars have been discovered in other parts of Southeast Asia, most notably in the Plain of Jars in Laos and the Assam region of India. The Plain of Jars features thousands of large stone containers scattered across more than 90 sites. These jars, like those of Bada Valley, vary in size and were carved from different types of stone. Recent excavations have revealed additional jar sites in remote mountains, suggesting that the culture responsible for their creation was more widespread than previously thought. The Assam jars, located even further away, reinforce the idea of a possible cultural connection spanning vast distances. Challenges in understanding and researching. Modern researchers face numerous challenges in their efforts to understand and preserve these megalithic sites. In Laos, for instance, unexploded munitions from the Civil War era pose a significant hazard to excavation efforts. In Bada Valley, the remote and rugged terrain makes exploration and study difficult. Despite these obstacles, ongoing research continues to shed light on these ancient artifacts, albeit slowly. Personal insights and reflections. The megaliths of Bada Valley, along with their counterparts in Laos and India, stand as a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of ancient human societies. They challenge our understanding of history and invite us to reconsider what we know about the capabilities of prehistoric cultures. Were these artifacts created by a highly advanced civilization, or were they the products of interconnected societies with shared cultural practices? Until more evidence comes to light, the mysteries of Bada Valley will continue to capture the imagination and curiosity of all who encounter these silent stone forms. As we piece together the fragments of ancient stone jars and humanoid statues, the mystery of Bada Valley and its counterparts in Laos and India remains as captivating as ever. Were these artifacts created by a forgotten civilization with advanced knowledge, or are they simply the remnants of a more obscure regional culture whose legacy was swallowed by time? Each discovery leads to more questions, but one thing is certain. The megaliths stand as a testament to human ingenuity and creativity. Perhaps they are not just relics of the past, but markers of a civilization that once thrived, leaving behind a whisper of their existence for us to uncover. So what do you think? Are we witnessing the echoes of giants, both literal and metaphorical, who shaped the world before us? The legacy of these stone wonders is waiting for us to solve their riddle. Until then, the mystery of these megaliths will continue to fascinate and provoke thought about the lost civilizations of our distant past.